According to Master, he used to say, "Pehle bana pralabdh, pache bana sarir," meaning first your pralabdh karma decides, is built, and that decides what body you are going to take. And when you have this body, then you perform some acts, and that creates another karma or kariman karma. And these Master used to say that whenever you take a birth and perform actions, you end up creating so much karma that those karmas can in fact create 10 more lives. So we are always working, thinking, we have intentions, and we are creating so much karma that we won't be able to live those lives. So what happens to so after pralabdh, whatever is left over, that's a excess karma, and that gets used up in the next life. So what happens to all the excess karma? Where is it going? So it is stored in something called a storehouse called sanchit karma, as a sanchit karma. So it is stored up there, and those are the ones that decide what's going to happen in your next life. There's a great story in Mahabharata, one of the Indian epics, where there's a king called Dhritarashtra who is blind, and he was wondering what made him blind in this life. And so he asked Sri Krishna. He told him that I have looked at my 100 past lives, and I do not know. I could not see a reason why I would be blind in this life. Sri Krishna told him, "Go few lives back. You had done something because of which you deserve this blindness." Master used to narrate this story about Krishna and karma. Krishna was the avatar or reincarnation of God, a realized master. When he was a small child, very young, he was a cowherd. He used to take the cow for grazing, and he had a friend called Uddhav. One day he told Uddhav that we do not really understand how karma works. Karma is relentless, and people used to say karma. Krishna used to say karman ki gat nyari hai. That means we do not understand how karma works. And he told Uddhav, Uddhav, look at this ant, a puny ant. This ant at one time was Brahma because of his good deeds, and at another time he was Indra. Now the same soul is back in this puny ant. So this is how the karma works. You cannot escape karma.